Hello everyone, so here we go. I'm Gary from Strada. We're on Hillsgrove today, one of the most exclusive and prestigious streets in the whole of Dubai, in the heart of Dubai Hills Estate. Today, I'm going to be showing you a property worth 105 million. Let's get inside. So we're going to be meeting the listing agent, George. He's also from Strada. Here he is.
Mate,
nice to see you.
Hillsgrove.
You all right?
Yeah, good mate.
Let's get inside. So George, what have we got today?
So 8-bedroom mansion on a 33,000 square foot built up area, sitting on a 40k plot. This unit actually backs onto the 18th hole in Dubai Hills golf course as well, so a really good location.
Some entrance as you come in, it's very airy, double height ceilings. I think the main opportunity here is for someone to put the stamp on it, to be totally honest. This plot here, mate, you're on the 18th hole, you're probably one of 9 villas backing onto the golf course and one of 26 in Hillsgrove. Also known as the Street of Dreams. Every time Emaar does a project in Dubai, they call one specific street the Street of Dreams. It's always the most exclusive and prestigious in the community. Yeah. Did you know that?
Yeah, there's one in Springs.
Oh yeah, there is one in Springs, yeah.
Street of Dreams, yeah.
So what would we do here, George? Obviously a huge space. It almost looks very grand, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, like you said, it is a blank canvas, someone to put the stamp on. You can imagine maybe like a seating area around here, you know, good for entertaining guests and things like that.
You need like a big piece of art, I would imagine,
artwork
in the middle or
seating area. Yeah.
Plenty of art. Yeah, nice.
Good space, isn't it? Right, so coming into the living space now, what would you do with it?
Me personally, give us a chance to look at it. I would go living space. I'd probably do formal dining here and then informal over there, so maybe a bit more of a breakfast space.
Yeah.
Is that an open plan kitchen there? Yeah.
No, it's an open plan. It's closed inside.
Yeah.
For a wall up there, I would personally remove that wall out just to open it a lot more.
Yeah.
Behind the kitchen, you've got a dirty kitchen anyway.
Okay.
So you've got a dirty kitchen, you could have a nice show kitchen here leading onto your...
That's not enough of a show kitchen for me.
A microwave on it.
You're talking about a property over 100 million dirham, yeah?
Oh, exactly. So I think if you were to open the kitchen here, you'd have a nice sort of breakfast bar and, you know, informal dining. It'd look really nice.
Yeah.
And leading onto the rest of the house here.
You've obviously got views over onto the golf course from all parts of the living space.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
So
very bright and very open plan.
I think obviously the main living space would be here, wouldn't it? This is where the all sort of informal family sitting area would be.
Yeah. I think it's important to tell the viewers as well that this property will have been sold shell and core. And what I mean by that is there would have been no AC, there would have been no flooring. It would have been simply concrete with the roof on top and the windows in. So the current owner has taken this property, he has fitted it out to his standard, and it's now ready for somebody to come in, maybe tinker with it, change things here and there. Because I think it's also important, some of the properties that are selling in this area, what do you think is the most expensive property that has sold in Dubai Hills? I'll let you have a little think about that one, and I'll tell you at the end of the video.
Gary, where do you want to go next? Should we go up or down?
Let's go check out the basement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The basement house. Right, so coming into the basement now, I'll just take you through what's here. You've got party hall.
Down here, wouldn't it?
No. It's a party hall. You know, the main reception here.
Yeah.
You've got a cinema room over there, and you've got a spa there. And also comes like an area for it that you can probably put a gym in as well, which is a good space.
So gym, cinema, spa.
6-car garage as well.
Yeah.
And obviously some maid's quarters and things.
There was a load of space upstairs as well for cars.
I think there's about space for like 10 cars in total, to be fair.
Yeah, do you reckon? Yeah.
Yeah. Because you've got 2 in the garage upstairs, you've got 6 in the basement, and then obviously just on the driveway in general.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of space.
There's a lot you can do down here. There's a lot of open space, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Right, what we'll do now, we'll jump in the lift, go up to the top floor, and we'll see the master bedroom. Right, let's take a look at the bedroom. So, like I said, 3 bedrooms downstairs, you've got 5 up.
It's huge up here, isn't it?
No, it is, isn't it?
How big did you say it was?
33,500 square feet it is in total. Every bedroom comes with an ensuite as well.
Yeah.
All come with wardrobes. You will get some bedrooms which will feel like more of a master bedroom in terms of that full dressing room. And then obviously the master bedroom has his and hers dressing room with his and hers ensuite as well.
Do you have 8 bedrooms plus a study, or is it just 8 bedrooms?
Just 8 bedrooms. Upstairs you do get a family room though.
8 bedrooms is a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. You can turn any of them into anything you want to. Put a study in one of them, couldn't you, if you needed to? But yeah, like I was saying, so upstairs you get a family room with a fitted kitchen as well upstairs. So
there is a lot that you can do. I mean, if you look around the community in Dubai Hills, you've got so many people stripping these properties back to the core and just going again. To give you a little bit of an insight into how much it would cost to fit this property out, you're probably looking for high end. You're looking at probably around 35 million dirham, and I'm talking extremely high end there. The property I worked out before is 3,200 dirham per square foot for the property as it is at 105 million, which is, it's roughly in line with the properties in this category. This is the golf course side of Dubai Hills, so it's a little bit more prestigious. You've sort of got 2 sides of Dubai Hills. You've got your apartments with your mall and your park and things like that, and then you've got your larger properties. They start from around 5,500 square foot and come right up the way to, I even see one at 90,000 square foot. There is a property in Dubai Hills. It's absolutely huge. It's on a golf course. Currently being built at the moment. So some of the properties that are on the market in Dubai Hills at the moment, 190 million, 220 million, 240 million. So there is properties which are breaking that 200 million dirham barrier. Should we go and check out the master bedroom?
Yeah, master bedroom, best part of the upstairs. The view from it is unbelievable. We've got, like I was saying before, you've got the his and hers master suite. 2 dressing rooms, 2 en suites. Obviously a large bedroom as it is. Right, so let me take you into the master here. So on your right and left, you've got your his and hers master walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. Yeah, nice, isn't it? And then obviously the best part of this room is the view on the 8th of the 18th.
Yeah, this is amazing, mate.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So even if you stand over here, you can see the Burj Khalifa downtown. And then obviously over there, you've got like Marina, JLT skyline as well, and then even the best thing, your local over there.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to buy this property. Not because I couldn't afford it, just because Holly will be in the master bedroom going, oh, there's Gary, he's in the pub again. No, it's amazing. Master bedroom's really good, and I think it's important to tell the viewers this property, the opportunity that is here in Dubai Hills at the moment. A lot of people are ripping the properties down to the core, and they're really investing into their homes, aren't they?
I think Dubai Hills, for me anyway, I think it's one of the best communities in Dubai, hands down. You've got the mall, biggest park, hospitals, schools, everything you need is obviously in one place. And I think that's why the prices are the way they are at the moment.
So if you're a family watching this video and you want to move to Dubai, get in contact with us. This property itself is 33,000 square foot.
Yeah, 33,000 on a 40k plot.
On a 40k plot. From an investment point of view, you buy this at 100 million, and if you want to take it up to the real high standard to break you could sell this property for 200 million if it was done to a real high standard. I've seen it done before. There's a property on there, actually we spoke to you before about a property that broke the transaction record in Dubai Hills. So on the 5th to 6th hole, there's a property in there. It's amazing. I've viewed it a couple of times myself. It's got a bowling alley in there, it's got a bar in there. It's got the widest range of materials. It's so sexy, it's so nice and seamless. I know the fit out company who've done it, and it's shout out BCI Fit Out, amazing company, great guys over there. And that property sold for 205 million dirham, which is just, honestly, record breaking. There's actually 3 properties on the market at the moment in Dubai Hills at 190, 220 and 240. And this property can be in that category. It just needs a little bit of love, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it wouldn't take I don't think it'd even take too much to get it to that standard of where it could be. Like you were saying, all the bathrooms, kitchens, everything like that's fitted, plumbing and electrics are done.
Yeah.
Does just need someone to put their own stamp on it to get it to be to that amazing wow factor that you do.
To sell this for 200 million, I think you need 20 million in it.
Yeah, I mean, its list price is 105 million.
Your negotiation skills, mate. You have to get that down from 100, don't you?
But and obviously it's a high number, but I think for where we are, it's a really competitive price.
Yeah. Should we go check out the garden?
Yeah, best part of the house.
Let's go.
Right, my favourite part of the house here.
I can see why.
Yeah.
Well, go on, tell us.
So back onto the 18th hole here. You know, the garden over here is perfect. You've got a pool, seating area, and loads of space for entertaining family as well. Yeah.
Oh, honestly, George, thank you very much for showing us this property. It really is amazing. You could pack your bags and move into this.
Yeah.
If you are a family moving to Dubai, or if you already live in Dubai looking for a property purchase, please get in contact with us, because this property, you could pack your bags and move in.
Yeah.
But there's also a great investment opportunity, isn't there?
Yeah,
which we've already spoke about. I'm Gary from Strada. This is my colleague George. Get in contact with us and we're happy to show you around anytime.